Today we are visiting the farm of Marie-Noëlle Beaulieu in Baie-Saint-Paul, and we're gonna check out their corn maze. But first, let's go check out the animals. Come on. Hungry. Oh, here comes the sheep. Good job. Good Here we go. I follow you guys. Don't split up. No, not that way. Not that way. So it's like, what is this expression? Okay. Left or right? Uh-oh, did we lose him? If we go out the entrance, I'm gonna be so disappointed. No, that way. We're back at the beginning?
No, this is the sortie.
Yeah, sortie is exit.
Okay.
We got it! Yay! Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure at the farm of Marie-Noëlle Beaulieu. please consider subscribing and liking this video. And we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.
Your face is covered in dirt.